Hey guys, welcome to the channel Best Out of Waste. Hello guys, I'm back with another craft idea. What we learn here is how to make a wall decorative paper butterflies. So, without any waste of our time, let's start wall decorative paper butterflies. Required materials: craft color papers. You can use normal color papers also, guys, if the craft papers are not available at your home. Scissors and gum. Using these three materials, we can make a beautiful wall decorative butterflies. Chalo, let's start doing. First, take one craft color paper and cut ½ inch from the corner of the paper. In this way we have to cut, guys, only ½ inch. This is the main part to make a butterflies, so keep it aside, we will use later. And take this paper and fold it half. And again fold one more half in this half. In the same way, we have to do both the sides. And now we have to fold the corners of the paper. Guys, 1/4 of the paper. You should not fold half. 1/4 only we have to fold the paper. When we are folding, the corners of the paper should be come out. We have to see that, guys. Likewise, in the opposite direction also we have to fold. In the upwards also, in the same process we have to do. The structure of the paper should be come like this. Now we have to fold the paper in this way to form a butterfly structure. This way we have to fold. See, guys, the butterfly structure is almost came. Now with this strip we will make a abdomen and antennas of the butterfly. Now cut the strip into two parts. Now divide this 1/2 into two parts. In this way we have to divide, guys. This is for antennas, butterfly antennas. Now with these two we will do butterfly antennas. To form our shape of butterfly antennas, we have to roll the top of the strip. So guys, antennas are ready. Keep it aside now. Now take that leftover strip and roll it over the middle of the butterfly to make a abdomen with the help of the gum. And roll it tightly. After completion of rolling, we have to put again gum to paste it tightly. And now let it dry for a few seconds. Now the butterfly is completely dried and we will attach the antennas to the top of the butterfly. With the help of the gum. You have to paste at the middle, guys. With different color paper, I'll make another butterfly. See guys, now the beautiful colored butterflies are ready. Now we will paste it on the walls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.